Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with a new fitness tracker, and what we have here is the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of its design, the specs, as well as a preview of the UI of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Let's see if this wearable, although it is very affordable, let's check whether it has what it takes to be one of the best affordable fitness tracker in the market for 2024. So if you are planning to get this one, if you are interested to buy the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active, watch this video first so you can decide whether this fitness tracker is for you or not. Again, before we start, please support our channel by sharing or liking this video, and of course subscribing to our channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So it has a simple box. We have some specs and features here. We do have here the model number M2435B1. And we do have here some details. So Bluetooth 5.3 BLE. Okay, so let's remove this sticker here so we can explore or check the wearable. So the wearable, this fitness tracker here, looks like similar to the design of the Redmi Smart Band 2 with its wide screen and rectangular body frame. Let's remove this. We have the fitness tracker, the user manual here, Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. We have the charging cable, the same with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, as well as other Redmi smart watches like the Active, Watch 5 Active, and Watch 5 Lite. And we have here the fitness tracker. Okay, so again, the contents of our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 are a charging cable with a USB Type A, a user manual, which we seldom read, available in different languages, and we have the fitness tracker, okay, with the strap attached. Okay, so let's check on the fitness tracker. Xiaomi. Let's remove this. We do have a plastic body frame. We have a flexible silicone strap. I don't know if this is interchangeable. Let's see. What's this? Force fitting? No. Can we remove this? I don't see any options. Let's check. No. Going to check on the user manual if we can remove this strap. But so far, as you can see here, it is attached to the body frame. And seems like there's no lock where you can remove the strap. Okay, seems like it is fixed. I'm not sure. Okay, if you have any idea, drop a comment below. We have the sensor here and the power connector. Okay, for the specs here, let's check. Again, we do have the Bluetooth 5.3 BLE. We have the screen display here, 1.47 inch ultra large display. I guess it is IPS LCD. We have an all-day SpO2 monitoring. Of course, there's also an all-day heart rate monitoring. scientific sleep monitoring, 50 sports mode, it is 5 ATM water resistance, and with a 18 days of battery life, smooth refresh rate, I guess it's around 60 Hertz. Okay, so 18 days of battery life and a Bluetooth 5.3 BLE. So this is your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So let's check on the weight of this wearable. To give you a comparison, we do have here the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So the Smart Band 9 Active here do have a much wider screen display. For the thickness, I guess it's almost the same. So let's check on the weight. We'll have a different review, a comparison view of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and the Smart Band 9 Active on our next video. With the strap attached, it is around 29.62, so almost 30 grams. For the thickness here, let's see, without the sensor here, so it is around 8, I guess 8 millimeter. For the length, so we do have here 42. For the width, that is the length, 42. For the width, we have 25. Okay, so 25 millimeter. So there's no power here. I guess you, just like any other Xiaomi Smart Band fitness tracker, you have to charge it first and pair it with a support app. Okay, so we'll have a charge. Let's see if there's a battery left, and we'll activate the smartwatch. Okay, so we are done with the activation of our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. So this is the default watch face here, or dials. Again, there's no physical button here. Flat finish with a, or flat body frame with a flat finish. Okay, brush, I think, finish for this one. Okay, so let's check. For the UI, on top we have the notifications, menus, the settings here, important settings, and on the right side, so we do have the different cards. How many? 1, 2, only 2 here. Okay, I don't know if you can add more on the support app. So very simple. Let's see if we change the watch face here. Let's see if we can pick other design. Only 2 here. Okay, I don't know if it has a wide black border here. I cannot check it properly. Okay, the black is very black here. That's very good. It's a bit wide, I think, for the black border here on the side for the screen display. Again, the screen display here is 1.47 inch. Okay, so that's it for the UI of our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Again, the contents are, we have the fitness tracker with the strap attached, we have the charging cable, and the user manual. Okay, so that's it. Bye.